The secret of pine cones, the sparkle of light, and the cozy warmth of winter is the time of year. Again, is Christmas around the corner, and we are surrounded by beautiful decoration that bring the festive spirit to life. But have you ever stopped to notice one of the simplest yet most charming holiday decoration, the pine cone? In today's video, we will explore why pine cone have become such a meaningful part of Christmas decoration, how they are symbolize nature and renewal, and few creative ways you can use them to bring a rustic magical touch to your home. Pinecone, one nature on ornaments perfectly created by evergreen tree with a beautiful texture and pattern that make the look like piece of art. Long before shiny, bubble and tinsel excited people use natural elements like pine cones, holly berries, and evergreen branches to decorate their home during winter. In many parts of Europe, pine cones were gathered during the old month of symbol of hope and warmth. The evergreen trees that produce them stayed green all over year, remaining everyone that life continue even the darkest winter. That's why pine cones represent endurance, growth, and the pine cones of spring. Did you know that pine cone also carries spectral meanings in different cultures? Pine cones symbolize alignment and eternal life. You can even find pine cones carving on ancient temples and sculptures across the world, from Egypt to Greece to Rome. Over time, the simple forest here become a holiday staple, a reminder that even the smallest part of nature, from the rustic wreath to elegant table centerpiece, pine cones can fit almost any Christmas theme. The earthy tones and texture blend perfectly with greenery, candle ribbon, and even glitters. Imagine a warm, candlelight dinner table, a few pine cones dusted with artificial snow surrounded by fir branches and golden ornaments. Of picture Christmas tree with pine cones tied in bow, simple, natural, and timeless. Many people today are also choosing eco-friendly decoration. Pine cones are reusable and completely natural, making them the perfect choice for a sustainable Christmas celebration. Let's get a little creative here. Some fun and easy way to use pine cone in your Christmas decoration. Attach a small ribbon or string to the top, add bit point glitters, and hang them on your Christmas tree. Glue pine cone in a circular pattern and cardboard base, add red berries, small bells, or bing bow for the festive charm. Place pine cone around candles on a decorative tray, instantly gives you a space of warm wonderland look. Combine pine cone with cinnamon sticks and dried oranges and evergreen sprigs. Not only does it look amazing, but it smells wonderful too. If you're crafting with kids, turn pine cone into teeny owls, angels using felt glue and a bit of imagination. Beyond their beauty, pine cones remind us to stay grounded and patient, because just like them, the needs to good things often take time to grow. They represent the balance of nature and the idea of new beginning, which is perfectly with the Christmas message of hope, peace, or renewal. So the next time you see pine cone, remember it's not just a decoration; it's a little piece of forest carrying centuries of tradition, beauty, and meaning right into your home. And there you have it, the story and the magic of pine cones decoration at Christmas. Whether you are making DIY craft, decorating your tree, or simply nature beauty, pine cones remind us that even the simplest things can bring the most joy. If you enjoyed the video, so please must subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and family. You can also visit our channel. There's lots of amazing and beautiful DIY projects which can you make your very important and very luxurious DIY projects, homemade crafting. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Have a very amazing journey ahead. Christmas party. God bless you all. Take care.